Wait, what are those?
My dear Veggieburg citizens, I have a special gift for each of you. Inside these boxes are sparkle paint kits. A sparkle paint kit was the most wonderful art supply in all Veggieburg. We have a big town festival coming up. I want you to use these kits to decorate Veggieburg. Mr. Broccoli, you are so creative. Here are 5 kits. Ms. Carrot, your eye for detail is perfect. 2 kits for you. And Mr. Potato, for your thoughtful spirit, 1 kit for you. Now, I must go on a long journey for many months. Use these gifts wisely, my friends. Make Veggieburg shine.
What are they supposed to do with them?
A festival means grand murals. I'll paint the town square with sparkling scenes. I'll paint beautiful patterns on every lamppost, making them glow.
Wow! It's so pretty. Aren't you going to paint something?
What if I mess it up? What if I use all the sparkle and it doesn't look good? It's such a special gift, I don't want to waste it. Mayor Artichoke is returning. The festival is next week. The mayor will be so pleased. Every detail perfect. He'll surely see the effort. Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. Mr. Broccoli, my creative friend, tell me, what have you done with the sparkle paint kits I entrusted to you? Oh, Mayor, I used all 5 kits. And look, I bought 5 more with the money from selling little souvenir art and used those too. Wonderful. You have used your gifts so well and even made more for our town. You were faithful with much. Now you shall have an even grander art studio in the town center. Ms. Carrot, your attention to detail is unmatched. What have you done with your 2 kits? Mayor, I painstakingly decorated every lamppost and sign. And I had enough paint left to make 2 beautiful welcome banners for the festival entrance. Excellent, Ms. Carrot. You have also been faithful with what you were given. You shall be put in charge of all future town decoration. And you, my friend, Mr. Potato, what have you done with the sparkle paint kit I entrusted to you? Well, Mayor, I was so afraid I would ruin it. It was such a special gift. I worried I wasn't good enough, or that I'd lose all the sparkle. So I kept it safe. I buried it in the ground. Here it is, Mayor, exactly as you gave it to me, untouched. You were afraid, Mr. Potato. You were afraid to even try. You hid my gift, instead of using it to make Veggieburg beautiful. To be given a gift, and not even attempt to use it, is a great shame. Since Mr. Potato chose not to use his gift, I will give it to you, Mr. Broccoli.
Wait, what? That's not fair.
Sometimes, my dear Chippy, things aren't quite what they seem on the surface.
But why would the mayor take Mr. Potato's kit away?
Think about it this way, Chippy. The mayor gave everyone a gift because he wanted Veggieburg to be beautiful for the festival. He didn't want them to just keep the gifts safe and hidden. He wanted them to use them, to try, to make something wonderful. Mr. Potato was afraid and did nothing. The mayor knew Mr. Broccoli would use every bit of paint for something good. Just like the mayor, God gives each of us special gifts. Chippy. These gifts aren't just for us to keep safe. They're meant to be used. Some might have many gifts, some might have fewer, but all are meant to be shared and grown.
But if you don't use it, you lose it? That seems mean. What if you're just not good at it? What if you mess up the beautiful gift God gives you?